How to reset Snapchat password if you've forgotten. First of all, after you open your phone, open your Snapchat app. After you open your Snapchat app like this, now make sure you type in your username or email address in this session and tap on this where it says forgot your password. So choose your phone number or email address to receive a code. So in this session now, confirm your password to receive a code from the your email address. Type in your email address that is linked to your account and tap on this send code. So now it will take you to a browser. As you can see, it says reset password. Type in your email address in this session. After you type your email address that is linked to your account and tap on the submit button. So as you can see, it says check your inbox. We send you a verification email. Open it and tap on change link. So I'll go back and open up my email address. So here is the link. After I open my email address, here is the message. So tap on this section, this link. So as you can see, it says change my password. Now I'll go ahead and tap in new password for my Snapchat account. So after you finish typing your password like this, tap on the save button. It will save your password. So as you can see, it says password change. Be sure to store your new password in a password manager safe physical place. So tap on this continue button to go back to Snapchat. So now since you reset your password, you can go back to your Snapchat app like this. So after you open the Snapchat, so after you reset your password, now go back to Snapchat and tap on this reset account or login. So after you tap on this switch account, now tap on this session, type in your username or email address at the top and type in your new password in this session. And tap on this login button. So as you can see now, here is now my new Snapchat account. That's my Snapchat account. Now I recover my password. That's it guys on how to change Snapchat password if you've forgotten. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys.